Okay, this is the 6th time today that it's bubbled and gurgled. But the first time I didn't try to make it in here because I didn't think it would do it that long. And then it did a really long time and loud, but I didn't start in time to get in here. The second time I did try to get in here, into the kitchen to, catch the sound. And by the time I got the camera on, it only did it for not very long. So then I gave up and went back, and it did it again. So I ran in here, and that time it didn't. I waited for I think 2 minutes, and it didn't make any noise. So now this is the 6th time today, but this one, what you could hear, was really quite loud and extensive. So, and there was one time I tried to catch it. I became determined to catch it since it did it so many times. The one time I waited a long time and then finally gave up, decided I was never going to do it. And of course, as soon as I shut it off, it did it. And then I couldn't turn it on fast. Well, I did. I turned it on, but I didn't realize I hadn't actually started the video. So I was watching it, not, realizing that it wasn't actually counting. Okay, so it did this twice on Saturday, once in the morning and once at night in the evening, like before maybe around 10 or 11. Then once on Sunday. Yesterday was Monday, and it did it. Well, I can't remember what time it did it. I can't actually be sure it did it yesterday. But today, this is the 6th time, so you could hear it was quite, didn't sound like the water had drained out of the drain very much. I find this worrying, you guys. Now that's the fridge. Well, I think I'll wait 15 more seconds. There were faint noises, so I'm now going to wait a bit longer. Okay, well, there you have it. Quite a lot of noise.